Your Excellency, it is my honor to invite the Chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Fiji to join Your Excellency to return the writ of election for 2022.
The names of those present elected on 19th December as members of the Parliament of Fiji.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, may we give a round of applause, please. Your Excellency, I shall now invite Your Excellency to deliver your speech this afternoon.
The Chief Justice, Honorable Kamal Kumar, Speaker of the Parliament, Ratu Chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Mr. Mukesh Anand, and members of the Commission, Supervisor of Elections, Mr. Sanim, and your senior management team, the Speaker of Parliament, Your Excellencies and members of the Diplomatic Corps, the co-chairs of the Multinational Observer Group, distinguished guests, and members of the media. Good afternoon to you all. On the 31st of October 2022, in this very room, I, as President of the Republic of Fiji, acting in accordance with Section 59(1) of the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and Section 21 of the Electoral Act 2014, and on the advice of the Honourable Prime Minister, issued the writ for elections to the Chairperson of the Electoral Commission to hold a national election and to return the writ on or before the 28th day of December 2022. I am pleased to have received the return of the writ earlier than expected, and I wish to acknowledge the hard work of everyone who had contributed to its successful return. Allow me to acknowledge the Fijian Elections Office with the Chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Mr. Mukesh Anand, and his fellow commissioners. I also commend the Supervisor of Election, Mr. Sanim, and the senior management team who have been at the forefront of the entire elections process. The process of voting was once again seamless across our 100 populated islands. The count was conducted professionally and transparently. The Supervisor of Election, Mr. Sanim, was clear and consistent, voice of reason and truth through every stage until the full and final results were known. He withstood wave after wave of unsubstantiated negativity by holding fast to the spirit of our Constitution and the principles that underpin free and fair elections in Fiji. His professionalism through the process proved to be an antidote to the election denialism and distrust that has become worsening plague on democracies around the world. I acknowledge and thank the Multinational Observer Group from your respective countries for following the process closely and being neutral vote of confidence in the conduct of the 2022 election. For your commitment to be part of this process and to the robust health of Fijian democracy. I personally wish to thank the team of volunteers who have been part of the election process for the past few weeks. It has been a tireless journey with lots of sleepless nights and time away from your families. You are part of the beating heart of our democracy. You are part of our history. You should all be proud. Most importantly, I thank and acknowledge every Fijian who turned up on polling day to cast their vote and make their voices heard. You are Fijian Democracy Manifest. You have spoken and you have chosen your representatives. Your commitment speaks volumes of patriotic values that we all hold so dear. The ball is in the court of our elected representatives. It is my prayer and plea that we keep the interests of the country paramount to further our shared mission to build better Fiji for every Fijian's benefit. In accepting the results, I look forward to swearing in the new government and to the opening of Parliament so that we could continue the work of nation building and democracy. May the Almighty bless you all and bless our beloved nation. Nakawakilim.
Your Excellency, there concludes the formalities for this afternoon.